color matching game, and magical color science experiment. This week, the Baby Shark Tank children in Hoyle class enjoyed a brand new learning experience specially designed to stimulate their senses, develop cognitive skills, and strengthen color recognition through hands-on exploration. During the Match the Color, Find the Right Place activity, the children carefully observed colorful cups and containers before pouring and matching colors into the correct positions. Jolly carefully examined each color before making her choice and successfully matched the colors with great concentration. Hammy was excited to recognize familiar colors and happily celebrated each successful match throughout the activity. Traingle showed great curiosity while exploring different colors and remained focused during the entire experience. Mina carefully followed the teacher's instructions step by step and proudly completed the challenge with a big smile. The excitement continued as the Baby Shark Tank children participated in a magical color experiment where different colors mixed together to create surprising new shades right before their eyes. Their eyes widened with excitement as colorful drops spread, blended, and transformed into beautiful new colors, creating moments of wonder and discovery throughout the classroom. Why do different colors create new colors when mixed together? Because when colors combine, they can create entirely new colors, making science both fun and magical for young learners. Through this engaging experience, children develop color recognition, hand-eye coordination, concentration, observation skills, and early scientific thinking while learning through play and exploration. Every week in Hoyle class brings a unique and exciting adventure where our Baby Shark Tank children learn through curiosity, discovery, creativity, and joyful experiences, only at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool. Our children are proudly called Baby Shark Tank. Let the baby come, cause the Kingdom of Baby Shark Preschool belongs to them. Parents, what is your child's favorite color? Comment below and let Baby Shark know. Hashtag Whale Class, hashtag Color Experiment, hashtag Color Matching Game, hashtag Sensory Learning, hashtag Early Childhood Education, hashtag Learning Through Play, hashtag Baby Shark Preschool, hashtag Fun Learning, hashtag Preschool Life, hashtag Baby Shark.